So today we're in my cabinet shop, and sometimes I go to the job site and I want to use a skill saw without marking the piece of wood that I'm going to mark. So I got this skill saw guide that is, really easy to put on. It has a lock on the back, and then it has a thread here, a bolt that you tighten it up. So you measure your piece of wood that you're going to cut, whatever dimension, and then you could just cut it without worrying about moving on you that is a different dimension. So this is so you can cut strips of 1 inch, ½ inch with your skill saw without moving and curving on it. As you see, we got a piece straight, quick.